Ma'am Di Masisil, you are one of the few people in lab that I had told my full background to, and I really appreciate you for all of the lessons you had made for us in class, not just for your subjects, but also for our life as well. To Ma'am Buisan, thank you for always believing in me and in my ability. I'm sort of disappointed that I couldn't show you success on that one quiz bee we had last year. But in every year since, I've tried my best and I know you acknowledge it too. To Sir Antipolo, these two medals right here are for you. Sir, thank you so much for all of what you taught us in physics and chemistry. To Sir Kudarat, thank you for introducing us to the practical research subject. And to Sir Madi, thank you for making such a difficult task so much more doable and easy to do. To Ma'am Ahmad, I would also like to acknowledge you for not juggling your own job as a senior high school coordinator and also teaching us pre-calculus and basic calculus. To Ma'am Sabba, I am very sorry you had to witness that dance for me. I still haven't recovered. But I appreciate everything you have taught us in physical education as well. And I would also like to acknowledge you for your role in being one of the advisors of the Donald Student. And Ma'am Tiban, along with her co-immersion teacher, I really appreciate for your consideration in giving us the best experience possible at MOST. It was an unforgettable experience and it was only thanks to you that was able to happen. To some of the other teachers who hadn't teach me directly, I would like to mention Ma'am Paltica. I will be honest, you reminded me so much of my own mother that if she was a teacher, I think she would be exactly like you. To Sir Jerry as well, I remember you. Sorry, I should say. Naalala kita sa pagiging tagapayo namin sa buwan ng wika. To Sir John as well, I would like to mention for acknowledging me, Zaya, and Saud's abilities as well, and for being one of our advisors in the Sultan Turret. Oh no, I forgot Sir JB. To Sir JB, sorry po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtuturo sa amin bilang isang guro ng Pilipino. And ano-ano kaya ang mga kwento mo about sa batch namin? Once again, to Sir Turugad and Sir Tilandro as well, I remember you for being some of the research panelists that I have yet to mention. To Sir Pasete, I remember for always being in his beloved food lab. Ma'am Baitita as well, I remember for standing in as our advisor in Edison for a short time. Sir Giamalon, my best friend. Also, to Sir Angelo as well in the Dean's office. And the Dean's office wouldn't be complete either without Ma'am Ness and Ma'am Tagoro as well, including Ate Julian and the rest of the faculty. I would like to thank you as well for all the invaluable things you do for the laboratorians of the school. And ang aming mga ama dito sa SSG, sila Sir Sulaiman and Sir Linoman